Hi, I'm Max Painley, robotic test engineer at ATI's North Carolina testing facility. I work with customer parts daily to determine the best tool, media, and programming parameters for customer projects. In this video, I would like to show off the power of the PCFC, which stands for Passive Compliance Force Control Device, in a graining application with an inline sander. The PCFC is a standalone compliance device that allows the user to add compliance to any process. Let's take a closer look at the application. Here, we have our PCFC with an inline belt sander attached. The PCFC is mounted to a 20 kg payload FANUC M20 robot, which is enough to handle the payload of the tooling and application forces generated by the sanding. In this demonstration, we are using 80 grit sandpaper, which would be one of several steps in a full production process. You can see the PCFC comply as the tool comes down to contact the part. We are using the weight of the sander plus a small amount of additional compliance pressure to ensure we supply a constant force to the surface. The PCFC compensates for up to ½ inch of variation in the sanding surface, independent of the robot path. This is very beneficial for graining applications that are common to appearance pieces like appliances or steel countertops, because the compliance ensures a consistent, uniform finish across the entire workpiece. Typically, this finishing process would be performed in multiple steps, beginning with a sanding process like the one you see here, and then moving on to brushing, which can also be performed with the PCFC or one of ATI's other compliant finishing tools. There are many different manual tools available to perform graining and other material removal processes, and while ATI is working hard to design robotic tools to perform each of these tasks, the PCFC is a great way to add compliance to any existing tool and create an instant automated solution. If you'd like to talk more about this material removal application, or if you have a different one that you'd like to discuss, please contact the material removal team at www.ati-ia.com/mr. We look forward to helping you start your automation journey.